Water is life. We all need clean water to live, to grow crops, to thrive. But there just isn't enough water or land to feed our hungry world. Unless we change the way we grow food. That's why millions of farmers are turning to Jain. Jain is totally integrated, totally innovative. Farmers helping farmers. The company logo reflects our holistic cycle of shared values. The sun, source of free renewable energy. Enhanced crops thanks to tissue culture plants and improved inputs. Water used sparingly and intelligently. The land protected and used wisely to deliver more. Jain has become a worldwide force in irrigation technology, the agri-value chain, and green energy solutions.